Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG microwave grease filter. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new grease filter. The grease filter filters grease particles out of the air as you cook. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. The grease filters are located on the bottom of the microwave. There's one on each side. They're both changed out the same way. We have our microwave laying on the countertop so we can show you, but yours is mounted in the cabinet, so all you have to do is reach up and change it. In order to change it out, you just have to grab the tab and pull it back and then down and out. Here's the old grease filter next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new grease filter in, we're going to grab the tab and then make sure the bottom goes in here in the back. And just drop it down a little bit and then lift it up against these mounting tabs. And then pull it forward so it goes into its resting place. Once you have it in, you can plug the microwave back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.